3. In this video, I'll show you how to add a workflow reminder in Calendly. First, sign into your Calendly account and click Workflows in the left side menu. Then, click Create Workflow and choose a reminder template. Next, enter a name for your workflow and select the event type you want the reminder to apply to. After that, choose when the reminder should be sent, such as 1 day or 1 hour before the meeting. Now, customize the reminder message if you'd like. You can edit the subject and message and include available meeting details. Once you're done, click Save or turn on Workflow to activate it. Calendly will automatically send the reminder to invitees before their scheduled meetings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a workflow reminder in Calendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.